Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Derek. I came from Singapore. I'm a principal technical architect at ClickHouse. I'm very happy here today to talk about how AI agent can work with OLAP databases like ClickHouse. So first of all, let me introduce ClickHouse. ClickHouse is an open source project, but it first prototyped in 2009. In 2012, it goes into production. After that, in 2016, it is open source. In 2021, we formed ClickHouse company. Then this is to leverage on the cloud native component. And after that, in 2022, we have our cloud. We are ranked first in the DB engine analytics DB category. We have over 40,000, actually it's around 43,000 stars and over 200,000 community members contributing to ClickHouse. So here are some of the use cases. First, real-time analytics. If you have customer-facing dashboards that is of low latency requirement, now ClickHouse is the best. If you have observability where you need to store logs, metrics, and traces, ClickHouse does it very well. We integrate with Open Telemetry OTel natively. If you have a need for data lake and warehouses, right? So ClickHouse can also do that. We can read and write into Parquet and also uses open table format like Icebook. Next, machine learning and GenAI. That's the most important topic. ClickHouse supports feature store and also allows for vector search, right? So if you have needs like that, we have that as well. Recently, we just released the MCP server, right? So you can use your agent, connect to ClickHouse, and let the agent write the query for you. So here's the question. If your data grows by 2 times, right? What if your query volumes grows by 10 times, right? How is that possible? It's only possible when someone is writing the query for you. And who is that someone? That will be the AI agents. Okay, so this is the classic real-time analytics workflow, right? So you have users. Maybe you build an application in between, or maybe the users will write the query themselves. Now, what this means is that those queries, predefined, will be interacting with the database, right? Now, this is classic. It's probably yesterday. Now we are talking about the future where someone, an AI agent, will write the query and run the query on your behalf. So how can that happen? Now, this happened through the agent and also reasoning models, right? So we see that throughout this timeline in the recent years, we come from starting from a LLM, actually small language model, and then going to large language model, and then we unlock more capabilities from those models. In between, we have this RAG that help us contextualize information, allow for better, higher quality search, and eventually, in the recent years, is the emergence of AI agent. Now, in the last 1 year, we see more and more reasoning model coming up. Why is that important? Because with reasoning models, the models is smart enough to generate queries and help you answer questions. All you have to do is to write a prompt in natural language, and then the AI agent will generate the queries to query your database. Now, this is where ClickHouse comes into play. This is going to be the future, and this is going to be the future of real-time analytics, where agents will help you write queries. How does that work? As you can see, we still have our users, but this time, our user is going to write prompts, not queries. In between, AI agents will help us translate those questions into queries and then interact with our real-time databases like ClickHouse. So why do you need real-time analytics and why with AI agents? Now that's because AI agents can help you generate high-performing queries. Next, it can only do so when the database is fast, right? Has low latency, because this allows fast interaction, and also firing of queries and getting back the results has to be fast, because the AI agents needs to know what is a good result, what is a bad result. If it makes mistakes, it will correct by itself. Next is providing context. If you store the data into a lakehouse, data warehouse like ClickHouse, this means that you have all the context that the agent needs to understand the question and provide and search for the right answer for you. Last one, unified data access. When you store your data into ClickHouse, because ClickHouse is very good in terms of storing volume and also fast query, storing everything, allowing the agent access to this wealth of information. This allows the agents to work for us and help us improve our analysis. So ClickHouse is very honored to partner with Alibaba Cloud a few years ago to come up with ClickHouse Enterprise, and this is available in Alibaba Cloud. So what happened is that it comes under ApsaraDB. There are two offerings. One is the Enterprise Edition, one is the Community Compatible Edition. Okay, so using ApsaraDB for ClickHouse enables you to perform fast query, low cost because it allows to scale to 0, and scaling takes very fast, within seconds. So whenever you have high workload coming in, ApsaraDB is able to scale up and handle all your high volume workload. After that, it's also feature rich. It has a lot of automatic data transmission service, like the one mentioned here. And not to mention, it's also reliable. As I understand, there are 3 replicas on OSS, meaning to say the data is stored 3 times while paying only 1 time the cost. Next is it's easy to use, 0 downtime with built-in monitoring. So welcome to the new world where you just need your internet, electricity, humans to write prompts. What you do not need is maybe you don't even need to write queries, maybe don't even need to write code, just ask questions. And there you go. I have a small little demo for you. So as you can see, all the user needs to do is to type in the questions, right? Now at the back, the agent will be smart enough to generate those queries. As you can see, each of those are queries that get sent over to ClickHouse. At the same time, we also help to generate dashboards to help you visualize the results. All right, that's what I have. You are able to try it yourself. Just go to llm.clickhouse.com to experience the future of AI agents. Thank you.